it's amazing to see them go, knowing that they're not returning today, are they? Of course, today marking the end of our airfare here means that the F-16s are free to return home.
Yes, indeed, and eagle-eyed would have seen that behind the last Red Arrows Hawk, there's an aircraft that may look like a Hawk at first, just slightly different colours. That is the next display item. And as we enjoyed the departure to F-16 from Belgium, we're going to stick with our allies as the next display item, the French Air Force, and that will be the Alpha Jet.
The Alpha Jet, a wonderful aircraft for display, and yesterday it demonstrated